Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208. This car comes with a really useful specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, cruise control with a speed limiter, and you've also got rear parking aids. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history, but if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.